Hi everyone, grateful to have you with us again today. This is Robert with Tampa Bay Auto Network, here to do a walk around with you on a 2021 Toyota Avalon XSE Hybrid. The point of our walk arounds is simple: to be as transparent as possible, showing you all the things that will not show up in our 100 high definition photos that are located on our website. If you're on our website and would like to see those photos, just scroll down. They're located below this video. If you'd like to see a detailed vehicle description which highlights features and options of the Avalon, just scroll up. It's located above the video. If you're on our YouTube page and would like to see those, plus get a free Carfax report, view the original window sticker, get some financing options, or a shipping quote to ship the Avalon anywhere in the country, visit TampaBayAutoNetwork.com. At the end of this video, you'll be able to hear the engine run on the Avalon. Thank you for joining us. Let's get to that walk around. All right, we're walking around the Avalon. As you can see, there's good tire tread there. The only thing to show you on this is very tiny chips that were touched up by the previous owner. They're so small, very hard for me to even show you. Needless to say, if you back up a little bit, they vanish into the clear coat because this finish is in beautiful condition. There's no scratches, dings, or dents anywhere on the car. All right, let's take a look at the interior. All right, showing you what doesn't show up in our pictures, which is the headliner and the sunshade. This side of the visors, which are all in like new condition, and then the top of the dash, which is also in like new condition. If you have any questions on the condition of the interior or exterior, or need some financing options, give Jennifer a call. Her number is located at the top of your screen. Thank you again for joining us. See you next time.